Vilandilstre from BSP 1B, and my research is all about differences in time management between college students with and without extracurricular activities at Kalan Educational Foundation Incorporated. Time management refers to how will students plan and organize their time for school tasks and responsibilities. According to Britton and Tesser 1991, students who practice good time management tend to perform better in school and experience less stress. This will analyze how well students with and without extracurricular responsibilities organize their time for academic and other responsibilities. This study uses time management as its key variable, comparing students across different academic programs. The findings aim to provide insights for students who are seeking to improve their time management strategies. And for methodology, we gather data by using by creating survey questionnaire using the instrument of time management scale by Britton and Tesser 1991. We used via Google Forms. We indicated 5-point Likert scale and using stratified random sampling to ensure fair representation of choosing 30 respondents. For statistical treatment, we use descriptive statistics like mean and weighted mean and independent t-test samples, which means comparing mean time management scores between students with and without extracurricular activities. And for table 1, the results shows that students participating in extracurricular activities have relatively higher mean scores in time management, suggesting that involvement in additional responsibilities may contribute to the better planning and organization. The overall weighted mean is 3.63, indicates a generally effective use of time, likely due to have necessity of balancing academic tasks with extracurricular commitments. This supports the idea that structured schedules can promote improved time management time behavior among students. While in Table 2 presents the time management scores of students who are not involved in extracurricular activities. The overall weighted mean is 3.39, reflects a slightly lower level of time management. This group showed more variability in their responses, indicating inconsistent time management practices. The findings that while having fewer responsibilities may offer flexibility, it does necessarily lead to more effective time management. And in Table 3, as you can see, the independent sample t-test yielded a t-value of 0.92 and a p-value of 0.3654, which is greater than the commonly used significance level of 0.05. This indicates that there is no statistically significant difference in time management between college students with and without extracurricular activities. While the group with extracurricular activities had a slightly higher average mean score, which is mean is equals to 3.63 than the group without that has mean of 3.39. This difference is not enough to be considered statistically meaningful. In conclusion, while students participating in extracurricular activities showed marginally better time management, statistical analysis revealed no significant difference compared to their non-participating peers at Kalan Educational Foundation Incorporated. Therefore, extracurricular involvement alone is not a primary determinant of time management skills in the student population. And recommendation to the students are encouraged to create simple schedules or to-do lists to help manage their time more effectively, especially when balancing academic tasks and extracurricular involvement. To the faculty and the academic institution, faculty and the institution may consider providing basic time management tips or brief orientation sessions to help students become more aware of how to manage their time wisely throughout the semester. To the future researchers, are advised to include a larger number of respondents or consider other factors like academic performance or stress. And that's all. Thank you.